Hello everybody, this is Dani Rolos from China Gadgets Reviews. In this video we'll take a quick look at the Xiaomi Mi 6 smartphone, this one. Okay, we have an octa-core processor from Qualcomm Snapdragon 835. Okay, we have 6 GB of RAM, 64 GB of internal storage and 5.1 inches high definition display. Okay, so this is, let's take a look here about, this is MIUI Global 9.2 stable, okay, based on Android Oreo 8.0. as you can see. Okay, this is the model name, model number Mi 6, 6 GB of RAM, 64 GB of internal storage. This is the kernel version. Okay, and let's go back. Security status, SIM cards. This is a dual SIM smartphone. Okay, Wi-Fi, it's working just fine. Okay, Bluetooth, tab here, so very fast. Also, let's go further. Personal hotspot, tab here, more tab. We have near field communication also. Okay, tap and pay. Display, wallpaper, we can download and change the wallpaper, also the theme, sound and vibration. Lock screen and password tab here, notification and status bar tab here, second space, home screen and recent, battery and performance. Okay, storage, let's go further. Additional settings here. Here in stable version you can install whatever language you want. Okay, Mi account, sync, system application, installed application, dual application, permissions, system application updater. As you can see, everything works very smooth, very fast. And feedback tab, the latest one. Okay, weather application, gallery, camera. We have a dual camera on back, the main camera, 12 megapixels. Okay, security and cleaner here. Very fast, as you can see. Let's go further. So this firmware version does not have root access, but if you want you can root this model. Okay, let's take a look. So here, for more information, Qualcomm Snapdragon 835. Okay, graphic processor unit here, the device Xiaomi Mi 6, screen size, screen resolution, full high definition and very high density. Okay, system Android version Oreo 8.0, battery very good, capacity 3350 milliamperes. A lot of sensors here and here, a lot of sensor also. Okay, also Let's take a look here. Device, as I told you, Xiaomi Mix 6, operating system Oreo 8.0, central processor unit from Qualcomm Snapdragon. The battery, a very powerful battery also, internal storage 64 gigabits, network connected, Wi-Fi, sensors, lots of sensors, 43 sensors available on board. Just take a look here, amazing. Okay, camera, features on board, a lot of features available, system application here, from MIUI operating system. Okay, so everything is working very nice. Also Play Store is working without any problem, very fast. Camera application here, we have short video, portrait, photo, beauty, square, panorama, manual options here, and a lot of settings here too. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye.